The fourth reason and the most dreaded complication of Botox is when you get what we call ptosis eyebrow or eyelid. I'll tell you the difference. If you have ptosis of your eyebrow, that typically means that you were treated too low on your forehead and you had flattening of your eyebrow. This can happen because of diffusion. If you bend over after your neuromodulator or Botox treatment, this can occur. So I always tell patients, don't bend over for at least 4 hours and try not to weight lift on the day of your Botox. Eyelid ptosis is the most dreaded complication of Botox, and this is where your eyelid can't raise. We think that this occurs because you get diffusion of Botox through a tiny little point in your bone called the superior orbital foramen. See on my little scully here, this little hole. And when Botox moves through that tiny little hole, it affects the little muscle that elevates your eyelid. And so your eyelid can't elevate anymore. There are a few ways that we can treat this with eye drops. Sometimes you can have 1 unit of Botox placed just right here and it will elevate that eyebrow. And so it's important that you know that there are fixes for it, but it can be distressing to say the least.